Introducing the AlphaStep series. See just how easy it is to create an integrated motor and driver solution from Oriental Motor. The AZ series with the Mini driver supports many field networks protocols, making it easy to create a system of integrated step servo solutions and allowing for design flexibility. Creating your own integrated step servo solution is simple, robust, flexible, and reliable. It all starts with selecting an AlphaStep motor. Assemble the mounting plate around the motor and then affix the Mini driver onto the mounting plate. Attach the motor cable to the motor driver. Then connect the power and the network cables. Oriental Motor has all the components readily available to assemble your own integrated step servo solution.